Hello students, good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are good. Welcome back in a class 5. Right? In the last video we learnt about how to do a telemarks. In the last video we learnt about how to draw a bar graph and how to give a question and answer of the bar graph. Right? Today we will take a one more graph. Right? And today's bar graph is about passenger is choosing a transport for a travel. Passengers are choosing a transport for a traveling, right? So first we write down here bar graph of passenger bar graph of a passenger choosing transport for travel, right? Today we learn about a bar graph and the bar graph of a passenger choosing a transport for a travel, right? First we take a information of how many passengers are choose different type of a travel different type of a transport, right? So we draw here a one table and there is a two columns. First column is for categories of transport and the second is for number of passengers. Draw a one table and there is a two columns. First column is for transport, right? First column is for transport and the second column is for number of passenger, right? First category of transport is bus, right? Next is train, third is boat, fourth one is aeroplane, means flight, and last one is car, right? We take here 5 categories of a transport. First category is bus, second is train, third one is a boat, fourth one is aeroplane and fifth one is a car, right? So it is our 5 categories of a passenger choose a transport to travel one place to another place, right? So this is the number of a passenger choosing a categories of a transport to travel one place to another place. Bus, how many passengers choose a bus to transport one place to another place? 35 passengers. 20 passengers choose a train to travel from one place to another place. 25 passengers take a boat to move one place to another place. 15 passengers choose of aeroplane to move one place to another place, and 10 passengers take a car to move one place to another place, right? So it is our information for a bar graph. Now we draw a bar graph right here, and we all know that in the bar graph we have a two axis. First axis is a x-axis, it is a horizontal line, and second is y-axis, and y-axis is a vertical line. We take a transport categories on a x-axis. We take a transport categories on x-axis, and number of passengers, we take a number of passengers on a y-axis, right? So here we draw our bar graph. It is our x-axis. Write down here x, and it is our y-axis. It is our y-axis. What we take on the x-axis? We take a categories of a transport. So write down here categories of transport. Categories of transport. And y-axis we choose a number of passengers. And here we choose a number of, on a y-axis, number of passengers. Number of passengers. We choose a, on y-axis, number of passengers. So here we write down here first categories of a transport is bus. Second is train. Third one is boat. Fourth one is aeroplane. And the last is our category is car. Last categories of transport is a car, right? Now we draw a bar graph of it. So now check our table. How many passengers take a bus to travel from one place to another place? Is 35. Sorry, here 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Right? We take a numbers on a y-axis. Now bus, number of passenger 35. So first we find out a bus on x-axis. Here it is, and 35 on a y-axis. It is here. So draw our bar graph here. It is our bar graph for a bus. It is our bar graph for a bus, right? Next category is train. How many passengers take a train for travel one place to another place? 20. So once again find out a train on x-axis. It is here, right? And find out 20 on a y-axis. It is here. So draw a bar graph here. it is a bar graph of a train, right? Next category is boat, and how many passenger take it? 25. So find out boat and x axis and find out 25 on a y axis. So it is our boat here on x axis and 25 is here on a y axis. So now draw here our bar graph for a boat. So we draw a bar graph for a boat. Next category is aeroplane. Which one is aeroplane? And number of a passenger is 15. So first find out aeroplane on x axis here and find out 15 on a y axis. It is here. So draw here our bar graph for a aeroplane. So this is the bar graph of a aeroplane. Next and last category of a transport is car. So first find out a car on x axis. You can see here it is here, right? And how many passenger? 10. So find out 10 on a y axis is here. So draw a bar graph for a car. It is here. So you can see here our bar graph is done here. You can see here our bar graph is done here, right? Our bar graph is for passenger choosing a transport to travel, right? So we draw a one table. First column is for a transport, categories of a transport, and second is number of a passenger. We take up 5 categories here: bus, train, boat, aeroplane and car. And this is the number of a passenger is choosing a transport categories to travel one place to another place. Bus for a 35 passenger, train 20 passenger, boat 25 passengers, aeroplane 15 passengers and car 10 passenger choose a car. And here we draw a bar graph. On the x axis we take a categories of a transport, and on y axis we take a numbers from 0 to 40, right? So now we take some question. First question is how many passengers choose a bus for traveling one place to another place. So what we do, we going on the table and see where is our bus categories. You can see here and find out how many passengers here, 35. So we can say that 35 passengers choose a bus for traveling for one place to another place, right? Next question is how many passengers choose a aeroplane to move one place to another place. So we can say that it is 15, because here you can see here 15 passengers choose a aeroplane move from one place to another place, right? Third question is how many passengers choose a train to travel one place to another place. Let's find out train in the transport categories. It is here, right? Now find out in the tables second column. It is here. It is for number of a passenger. Choose seat. How many passenger you can see in the train's row? 20. How many? 20. So our answer is 20 passenger is choosing a train to travel from one place to another place, right? So here you can see here we draw a bar graph of a passenger choosing a transport for a traveling, right? So this is the one bar graph for you, right? So every student, thank you students for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Swaminarayan.